Thank you so much for joining us on this Wednesday afternoon. I'm Jeremy Carroll. There is a lot of EV battery news to get to, and we'll start with Stellantis and LG Energy Solution. The two companies, with the backing from 3 levels of government, committed to spending $4.1 billion to build Canada's first large-scale EV battery plant. The factory will be located in Windsor, Ontario, right across the border from Detroit. The plant is expected to begin operations in 2024 and will have capacity to produce 45 gigawatt hours of lithium-ion battery cells and modules. It will supply EV assembly in Ontario and elsewhere in North America. Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares says the investment will help position Canada as a leader in North American EV battery production. He added that the plant will also orient the company toward its EV targets. We have much more on the plans at AUTONEWS.com. Meanwhile, LG Energy Solution is considering building a battery factory in Arizona to meet demand in the U.S. A spokesperson saying the company is considering a new production site, but nothing has been decided yet. LG Energy Solution has its own factory in Michigan and 2 joint ventures with General Motors, one in Ohio and the other in Tennessee. Turning back to Stellantis, the automaker says it will build an EV battery factory in southern Italy with Mercedes-Benz and TotalEnergies. The 3 companies have a joint venture called Automotive Cells Company. The 3 will convert an existing engine plant into a battery factory. And Volkswagen Group will invest more than $7.7 billion in Spain to create an EV hub there. The effort will include a new battery factory along with retooling 2 assembly plants for EV production. Staying in Europe, supplier Leoni says it is ramping up production of wire harnesses at its 2 plants in Ukraine. That while Russia's invasion of the country continues. Leoni says workers will be operating under a nighttime curfew and their safety is its top priority. The German company says it is currently producing at 40% of capacity in Ukraine. The lack of wire harnesses has disrupted output at several automakers in Europe. And Ford showing off some extreme testing for the all-electric F-150 Lightning. The automaker says it recently took the pickup to Colorado for an 8-mile uphill towing test in freezing temperatures. It then took the EV to extreme heat in Nevada. Deliveries of the F-150 Lightning are expected to begin this spring. That's our time for now. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.